Hey guys, if you want to stop friends or any other people from joining your Roblox server, here's what you're gonna do. Go ahead and hit more at the bottom right here. Okay, so if you're using a PC device or a desktop, just go ahead and click the settings gear in the interface. Now what you're gonna do, go ahead and hit settings, right? And in the settings, you're gonna see account info, security, and then privacy and content restrictions. Go ahead and hit privacy and content restrictions. Okay, and then you're gonna see content maturity, communication, visibility, and private servers. Just go ahead and hit visibility in private servers right here. And then what you're gonna do, you can go ahead to the visibility first, right, and set it to no one, so no one can access or when you restrict one of these settings, other related settings may also be restricted. So that will apply also to the private servers. So I'm gonna go to the private servers, and as you can see, no one, or if you set it to everyone, just hit, or friends, just switch it to no one. And a private server in Roblox can limit the number of people who can join your server. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.